are on live.
Yes, we are on live. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to BD Expert Education live session. Here we are with another live session, one of the most popular college from Canada. And আজকে আমাদের সাথে আছেন নিকিতা আপু from BD Expert Education. So উনি আজকে আমাদের সাথে present করবেন about the Canada and the Toronto School of Management. So যে এখান থেকে লাইভটি দেখছেন সবাইকে thanks for watching and joining with BD Expert Education. In today's live, we are going to talk about Toronto School of Management, and I'd like to introduce you with Mr. Sujan Dash, Senior Business Development Manager, Toronto School of Management. Sujan sir, nice to meet you and hope you're fine.
Yes, thank you very much. Good afternoon to everyone. So, you know that my name is Sujan Dash. I'm Senior Business Development Manager for GUS Canada Colleges, including Toronto School of Management. So today, I'll discuss about what benefit you will get after completing your, the diploma and degree from Toronto School of Management, and why you should go to Canada, and what are the benefit you will get after completing your study in Canada. So I would like to share my screen. So give me a few minutes, please, so that I can proceed further.
Okay. So at first, আমরা কিছু বলে নিই about BD Expert Education. BD Expert Education is a result-oriented educational consultancy. আমরা 2009 থেকে অত্যন্ত দক্ষতার সাথে আমাদের সকল কার্যক্রম চালিয়ে যাচ্ছি। সো যেসব স্টুডেন্টসরা অ্যাব্রোডে হায়ার স্টাডির জন্য ইন্টারেস্টেড, তারা আমাদের সাথে ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে যে নাম্বারটি দেওয়া থাকবে ওই নাম্বারে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। অ্যান্ড ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে আমাদের দেওয়া নম্বরটিতে কল করে ইউ ক্যান গেট ফ্রি কনসালটেশন। অ্যান্ড যারা যেখান থেকে লাইভটি দেখছেন তাদের যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন থেকে থাকে, প্লিজ রাইট ডাউন ইউর question in comment section. We are here to answer all of your question. And আর দেরি না করে এখনই আমরা লাইভ সেশনটিতে চলে যাচ্ছি। সো সুজন স্যার ওনার স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করেছেন, and আজকে আমরা ডিসকাস করব about Toronto School of Management, their tuition fees, scholarship, subjects they are offering, and the location of the university. সো আমি শুরু করছি। সুজন স্যার প্লিজ আপনি শুরু করবেন। আমার ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন আপনার কাছে যেটা যে please share about Toronto School of Management and about the location of this college and ranking, and is it a DLI listed college?
Thank you very much, Ms. Trisha. I would like to elaborate every single thing that you can see the overview over there. So after completing my PPT, you will have time to ask me the question, or what you can do. If you have any question, you can ask me to stop middle of my presentation. So I'll get back to you. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you very much. Today, basically, I'd like to talk about why Canada, why Toronto, and about TSOM, why study TSOM, accreditation, membership, designation, student diversity, career services, co-partner, our program, application requirements, study permit, and visa, accommodation, and finally, question. Toronto, why student should go to Toronto? Canada is a choice destination for talented people all around the world for conducting research, potentially migrating and studying. Canada has many natural strengths such as strong economic foundation, safe environment, and ever-growing multicultural population. And Toronto is Canada, that peninsula and capital, peninsula is, though Ottawa is the main capital, rated as one of the top 4 global cities with economic clouds, and has the strongest job growth in Canada. Toronto is consistently ranked one of the world's most livable cities and home to diverse population of around 2.8 million people, with the 3rd largest percentage of immigrants in one city. The city is extremely multicultural, creating a diverse environment and leading to a wide variety of arts, culture, and sporting events. And another thing is 96% of international students recommend Canada as a study destination, and 60% of international students plan to apply for permanent residence in Canada after completing their studies. About TSOM, why students should TSOM? Toronto School of Management is a private career college offering a broad range of industry-relevant program in the field of business, hospitality, tourism, data analytics, digital marketing, cybersecurity, and accounting. Then another unique selling point for Toronto School of Management is we are only ACCA tuition provider in North America. So those students who would like to study ACCA, we are the only institution in North America, not only Canada. And our mandate is to provide a comprehensive and balanced mix of programs and services that support the success of our students in work and their life. And our vibrant Toronto campus is located in the heart of downtown Toronto, Canada's business and capital hub. Why TSM? You know that, as I mentioned, our location is unbeatable. They're located in downtown Toronto with easy access to transport and businesses. And many of our programs are powered by renowned industry learning partners such as Amazon Web Series, Tableau, Oracle Hospitality, QuickBooks, CompTIA, Digital Marketing Institute, Trailhead from Salesforce, and Knowledge Matters, giving our students a competitive edge. And we provide co-op placement or custom in the field of their study. And we have a strong network of 100+ co-op partners, and we have a diverse student body from over 87 countries. Our faculty is qualified and industry experience. So I'd like to mention one thing. Toronto School of Management is an only institution in Canada who providing guaranteed co-op placement in the field of their study, as we have a 100+ co-op partners. So what is co-op? Co-op is basically internship. So when it is paid, it's called co-op. When it is unpaid, it's called intern. That is the basic difference between co-op and internship. Okay. Our campuses. Our beautiful campus is located in heart of downtown in Toronto with 5-story building, with 23 classrooms, and also we have a TSM cafe run by the TSM student. Accreditation, membership, and designation. TSM is a career college operating in Ontario, and all our programs are approved by the Ministry of Advanced Education and Skill Development. So, which is really important thing. So, whenever you receive any education, education should be the accredited and designated. So, as TSM is operating in Ontario, every single program are approved by the Ministry of Advanced Education and Skill Development in Canada. So that means your education is accredited and designated from the government that you receive from the Toronto School of Management. And TSM is authorized to use EduCanada brand. TSM is a designated learning institute, as you mentioned earlier, as per the Immigration and Protection Regulation. The issuance of the study permit is limited to applicants who have been accepted, undertaken a program of study education institute that is designated. So TSM DLA number is 01-313-9451-0557. If you'd like to put this DLA number on the Google, and you'll find all details about the Toronto School of Management.
Sujan sir, I would like to know regarding the popular degrees and courses in Toronto School of Management. If you could please give us some insight about that.
And we are also, the Toronto School of Management is an only ACC that is student, international student from the obviously is Brazil, as it is the big country. And second largest student come from India. Third one is Vietnam, fourth from Mexico, fifth from Japan, and sixth number of international students coming from Bangladesh at Toronto School of Management, which is really good news for those students, those Bangladeshi students who would like to study at TSM. Because as they are getting the big community over there. So whenever you are going to get any new life, any new things, so whenever you're getting your big community, it helps you a lot to adjust yourself over there in terms of work and their life. And also whenever they are going to a group study, it will help them a lot to get them their own culture peoples and also the own community over there. So TSM, fourth person of international student, at TSM from the Bangladesh, which is really good news for Bangladeshi student. This is the program. Some of our key co-op partners, as I mentioned, we have 100+ co-op partners. So this is sum of, as we have 100+ co-op partner, we are not able to put everyone over there. So this is some of our key co-op partner. Those students who would like to do the hospitality, we have a partnership with Marriott Hotel, DoubleTree by Hilton, as they are one of the biggest chain hotel in the world. So whenever they are completing their coursework at Toronto School of Management, finally they will get opportunities to internship or get co-op options at the world reputed chain hotel. This is the basically terms of co-op. So after completing my PPT, I'll share with you this whole PPT, then you will get to know the details. As this is it's quite long PPT, so I'm not able to discuss about every single things. So you can have a look later on. Okay. Program. So now I'd like to talk about the program that offered by the Toronto School of Management. So we offering the program in the field of business, hospitality and tourism, big data, IT and accounting. So we are offering 3 programs for business students: business diploma in business administration, diploma in business management, another new program, diploma in digital business management, and diploma in digital marketing specialist. For hospitality and tourism management, we have another 3 programs: diploma in hospitality and tourism management, diploma in fundamental of hospitality and tourism management, and final one is advanced diploma in hospitality and tourism management. And also the final one is certificate program. We are not offering certificate program for international student. It's only for the domestic student. Big data. Big data is a huge demandable subject nowadays, as world, that getting day by day, that dependent on the database. So it's that nowadays big data is really demandable subject. So we are offering in the field of big data also diploma in data analytics, IT. We have diploma in cyber security and accounting preparatory course for SC examination. For diploma in business administration, we have 2 duration. Number one is 1 year's program, another one is 2 years program. So 1 year's program is program length is 66 weeks, 24 weeks they have to do in class, and another 24 weeks they need to do the co-op with 18 weeks schedule break. So interested student never study more than 36 weeks in a year. The rest of 18 weeks they'll get the schedule break. In this schedule break, they can work full time, as the Toronto School of Management offering a full-time program. And also during this 24 weeks co-op program, they can also get the opportunities to get work arranging by the Toronto School of Management, which is part of the courses. Okay. And we have a multiple intake in a year: January, March, May, July, September, and November. So as we have a multiple intakes in a year, every 2 months we have intake. Whenever students are ready, they don't need to waste their time. Straight away they can apply with following intakes. And class times, we have a 2 duration. One is daytime, other one is evening. Fees. If we talk about the fees, Toronto School of Management offering low tuition fees with quality education ever in Canada. 1 year's program fees is 12,495 Canadian dollars. So after a scholarship, which is called diversity scholarship from those regions like Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. So South Asian region, if anybody met the admission requirement, everybody will get this scholarship, as it is the diverse scholarship. So they will get that 25% scholarship, and after a scholarship, it's come down to 9,000 Canadian dollar for entire year. So can you imagine, you will not get any other institution in Toronto with that low tuition with the quality education. Okay. And another good thing is they will get the 6-month co-op opportunities. Whenever they are doing the co-op options, they will get the pay from the employer, which is more than their tuition fees. So almost they are getting free education at Toronto School of Management. This is the breakdown, how many weeks they will get class, and how many they will get the co-op opportunities, and how many weeks they will get the the time for the co-op placement. So you will have a look later on. Okay. This is the estimated income, how much money they can make during their courses at Toronto School of Management. So if you can see, their estimated total gross earning is 30,780 Canadian dollar, or is they need to pay us only 9,000 Canadian dollar. So Diploma in Business Management Co-op, this is 2 years program, 109 weeks. 48 weeks they need to do the coursework, and 24 weeks they need to do the co-op, including 37 week schedule break. So it's the same as the previous one. We have a 6 intake in a year, 2 class time, daytime and evening. Tuition fees is 20,000 Canadian dollar. After scholarship is come down to 14,500 Canadian dollar. This one is cheaper than the previous one. So within 2 years, they will have to pay only 14,500 Canadian dollar, which is equivalent to 9 lakh BDT. So you'll not get any that cheaper option than that in Canada, honestly speaking, with quality education.
Yes.
So those students who would like to study, who are planning to study in Canada, please don't delay. Contact with BD Expert and apply as soon as possible. So yes, to make your dreams come true. This is the modules and all, so you'll have a look later on. The Diploma in Digital Business Management. This one also the 97 weeks, which is 2 years almost. 36 weeks they need to do the course, 36 weeks they need to do the co-op, and 25 weeks they will do the schedule break. And we have a 6 intake in a year, same as previous one. Tuition fee is also same, 20,000 Canadian dollar. After scholarship is 14,500 Canadian dollar. Digital marketing. But this is the bit different than previous one. We have a 3 intake in a year for digital marketing, January, May, and September. The tuition fee is a bit expensive than others one. So it's 14,495 Canadian dollar. After scholarship, it's 10,495 Canadian dollar. This is all about the business. So now I'll talk about the hospitality and tourism program. So we have a Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management program, course length is 66 weeks, including 24 weeks co-ops. So they will get the 24 weeks class and 24 weeks in co-op with 18 weeks schedule break. Same as previous, 6 intakes in a year. Every 2 months, every intake. Tuition fees is for 12,495 Canadian dollar. After 25% scholarship, come down to 9,000 Canadian dollar for entire program, for whole year's program. Okay.
Okay.
And Advanced Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management. This is same as Diploma in Business Management program, 2 years one. So it's 109 weeks total program length. 48 weeks they need to do the coursework, including 24 weeks co-ops plus 37 weeks schedule breaks. 6 intakes in a year, 20,000 Canadian dollar. Tuition fees after scholarship 14,500 Canadian dollar. Which is equivalent to Bangladeshi taka 9 lakh taka. And also those students who would like to do the hospitality and tourism management at Toronto School of Management, they will get the opportunities to work with world-class chain hotels such as the Radisson, Hilton, and also the Marriott. Big data, Diploma in Data Analytics. This is also 1 year program with 12 weeks co-op. Tuition fee is 11,000 Canadian dollar for 1 year. Cyber security. Cyber security another demandable subject nowadays. So people are, that nowadays things are always, the day by day is dependent on the on virtual based and on. So things, cybersecurity specialists really demandable subject nowadays. So those students who would like to do the cybersecurity, I'd like to give them the clear picture of this. Last years, I don't have any single refusal from South Asia for cybersecurity program. Those who apply for the cybersecurity, every single student got the visa for cybersecurity. So if you'd like to apply for this is the high time for apply for cybersecurity. Please don't delay. Proceed further with BD Expert as they are our official partner in Bangladesh. So please, contact with them with your all required documents.
And I think Toronto School of Management are offering very popular courses, right?
Yes.
So
are very popular. So if I talk about the admission requirement, academically students should have 60% mark on their previous study and they need to have IELTS 6 with maximum 1 band 5.5. Let's say if somebody got IELTS 6, but unfortunately they got 2 band 5.5. I'll not able to that place them at Toronto School of Management, as we are always looking for the quality education and quality student. So students should have 60% academically and IELTS 6 with maximum 1 band 5.5 for every single program that offered by the Toronto School of Management. Okay.
Okay.
Also, we have another test which is called Wonderlic test. Let's say if somebody apply with all academic documents, they need to place for the Wonderlic test, which is online test, and they will get 30 questions within 8-minute time. They need to answer 15 right answer to get the admission at Toronto School of Management. This is the study permit and accommodation. You will have a look after that. So I think you guys are expert on it. Or if you need any further assistance, so I'll arrange another session on study permit and visa. Though I'm not the the person who can talk about the visa, but according to the ISSC, we have include some points on it to study permit and visa, and also that it's an off-campus work permit. So TESOL students are eligible to work off-campus work permit 20 hours during their studies and full-time during their scheduled work. So they can help themselves whenever they are studied, whenever they have class. If they work 20 hours a week, they can help themselves to manage their accommodation and foods, which is really good. And as we are located in heart of downtown in Toronto, they don't have to worry about the part-time job. There is a lot of part-time job, huge opportunities. Okay. Thank you very much. Any questions or anything, you can go ahead with that.
Okay, thank you, sir. That was an informative presentation, and we have covered many things here. So, আমি আরেকটা কোশ্চেন করতে চাই। আপনি একটা জিনিস খেয়াল করলাম যে টরন্টো স্কুল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্টে কোঅপ প্লেসমেন্টটা খুবই ভালো। সো এই যে কোঅপ ফ্যাসিলিটিসটা পাবে স্টুডেন্টস, ইজ দেয়ার এনি এলিজিবিলিটি, কোন এলিজিবিলিটি কি লাগবে নাকি স্টুডেন্টসদের জন্য?
Students should have 60% mark on their previous study, on their coursework, to eligible for get this co-op opportunities. And we don't have any single cases till now who don't even meet this. Every single student got this, so there is no issue at all. That means everyone will get it.
Okay, so students, আপনারা শুনতেই পারলেন, and Toronto School of Management tuition fee কিন্তু very low. আপনি যদি কানাডার অন্য একটা কলেজ অর ইউনিভার্সিটির সাথে কম্পেয়ার করেন, অনেক লো। সো আপনারা কিন্তু এই সুযোগটা নিতে পারেন, এন্ড কোঅপ প্লেসমেন্ট তো আছেই। সো আমরা আজকে কথা বলছি টরন্টো স্কুল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট নিয়ে। আমাদের সাথে আছে মিস্টার সুজন দাস, টরন্টো স্কুল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট সিনিয়র বিজনেস ডেভেলপমেন্ট ম্যানেজার। স্যার, আপনার যে টরন্টো স্কুল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট কিভাবে একজন স্টুডেন্টকে হেল্প করবে আফটার স্টাডি টু সার্চ এ জব, লাইক?
That is really very good questions. So Toronto School of Management has career guidance centers. That is our own, is arranging by the Toronto School of Management. Those students who need career assistance, who need any job facilities, who need assistance about post-study work permit. So we have an expert team member at our career card service center. Students will get the free career services consultation from them. So for Toronto School of Management student. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so it's a big opportunity. I think student আপনার আর দেরি না করে আসলে এই অপরচুনিটিটা অ্যাভেল করুন। And I think আরেকটা জিনিস ক্লিয়ার হয়ে নিয়েছেন যে আইএলস অপরচুনিটি হচ্ছে এখানে আইএলস আপনাকে 6.5 থাকতে হবে। সো স্টুডেন্টস যাদের
not 6.5, sorry, I just would like to add 6 with maximum 1 band 5.5.
5.5.
Yes.
So and the requirements are also clear. যে requirements for undergrad and master grade এর জন্য যে requirements গুলো ছিল আপনাদের কাছে সবকিছু ক্লিয়ার। And I think সুজন স্যার, আমার একটা কোশ্চেন about the Duolingo acceptance. Any Duolingo acceptance has
yes, we do accept. Yes, we do accept Duolingo, which is 100. But though we accept Duolingo, I never encourage anyone to apply with Duolingo, as visa ratio is quite low, according to my experience. But we do accept the Duolingo.
Okay. And available intakes and upcoming intake application last date in this
I
year?
always recommended student to apply at least 3 months prior they have start their classes. So then they will get enough time to manage the admission and also manage the all documentation done on time. As you know that Canadian study permit need to submit many things, including financials and all. So that's why I'd like to suggest every single student, those who would like to study in Canada, they should apply their process 3 months prior their classes started.
Okay.
Thank you.
And the tuition fee payment process, how much money one student have to deposit first?
Normally, our tuition fees is we have a that scheme. If those students who would like to join 2 years program, they can deposit 25% of total tuition fees before they getting the LOA, and 1 year's program they need to pay 50% of tuition fees before they getting the LOA. So that is the tuition fees they need to pay in order to get the LOA.
Okay. And what about the visa possibilities? Any hope for Bangladeshi students you want to advise?
Toronto School of Management visa ratio is really higher than any other Canadian institution based in Canada. So we have a high visa ratio. According to my experience, in 2020 and in 2019, our visa ratio is 70% and above. So visa is not an issue for any institution, what I believe. So as long as students are genuine, as long as their fund is genuine, so visa should not be an issue if they are able to submit their application properly.
Okay.
So can
students,
you? Sorry, I would like to share another PPT. Can you see my screen?
yes, I can see. Sure,
Okay.
you can share.
So which is the academic pathway? So you know that we have academic pathway with 3 Canadian institute. Number 1 is University of Canada West. Second one is York Valley University. Third one is Niagara College in Toronto. Okay, so let me give you a little bit idea about academic pathway. How does it work? So this is basically academic pathway. We have 3 program offering with Canada West. Number 1 is Diploma in Business Administration. Second one is Diploma in Business Management. Third one is Diploma in Digital Business Management. So if any student doing these 3 subjects at Toronto School of Management, they can transfer their credit to University of Canada West, the following subject: Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Arts and Business Communication. So let's say if somebody completed their HSC or A12 back home in Bangladesh or any other countries, they can ask you why I should go to the diploma program instead of bachelor program. You will face many students like this. So you can suggest them. You can suggest them that accordingly, whenever you are completing your diploma at Toronto School of Management, if during the that based on the program length, you can transfer your credit to University of Canada West or University York Valley to complete your bachelor. So what are the benefits they will get to get admission at Toronto School of Management? Let me give you a little bit idea about it so that you can make it clear to a student. Let's say if somebody has completed their 1 year's diploma at Toronto School of Management, which is called Diploma in Business Administration, if they will do another 2.5 years at University Canada West, leading to Bachelor of Commerce or Bachelor of Arts in Business Communications, they can complete their bachelor degree. And after that, they are eligible to apply for 3 years post-study work permit at Toronto School of Management. So if I talk about the tuition fees, if they would like to start 1 year's bachelor program at Canada West, they need to spend 18,000 to 19,000 Canadian dollar for every single year. But if they start with Toronto School of Management, they need to spend only 9,000 Canadian dollar. On top of this, they will get the 6-month guaranteed co-placement. So it is 18,000 Canadian dollar. They can get the same degree with same value, 9,000 Canadian dollar. And also, being a TCM student, whenever they are transferring their credit to University of Canada, they will get 5,000 Canadian dollar scholarship. Being a TCM student, it comes down to 13,000 Canadian dollar. So this is really, really big things for Toronto School of student, those who would like to complete their bachelor leading to University of Canada West or Yorkville University or Niagara College, Toronto. Okay. So they can save 22,400 Canadian dollar after completing their bachelor program. But they'll get the two certificates, one from Toronto School of Management, another final one from University of Canada West or Yorkville or Niagara College, wherever they are completing their bachelor. Okay. So this is really good options for those students who are looking for quality education with low tuition fees in Canada. This is the 2 years program. So those students who would like to do the 2 years diploma program at Toronto School of Management, they need to do another 2 years to complete their bachelor at Canada West. The same things. Within 2 years, they need to spend only 14,500 Canadian dollar at Toronto School of Management. Whenever they are going to University of Canada West, they need to spend only 13,000 Canadian dollar per year. Being a TCM student, they will get the 5,000 Canadian dollar scholarship. So it comes down 13,000 after 18,000 Canadian dollar. Okay. So whenever they are going to directly join to the Canada West, they need to spend at least 18 to 19,000 Canadian dollar.
Yes.
Within 2 years, they need to spend more than 36,000 Canadian dollar. Or is they can complete their 2 years at Toronto School of Management with 14,000 Canadian dollar with the same value and same credit.
And it's a great opportunity for students.
It is indeed. And there is a course breakdown. So which courses they need to do the Toronto School of Management and how many credit value they will get. So can you see this? TCM courses and ECW courses, credit values are same. 3 credit per subject. And this is the pathway academic plan. See, so you know that those students who would like to do the BA program at Toronto School of Management, they need to spend 47,000 Canadian dollar, or is they can earn 67,830 Canadian dollar. So it's more than you know that they make that tuition fees from their co-op and from their part-time jobs. So they don't need to worry about the tuition fees and all. They don't need to take tuition fees from their home. Benefits, what are the benefits they will get after completing pathway program at Toronto School of Management? Receive high standard Canadian academic credentials, complete your undergrad diploma within 3.5 and 4 years, become a highly desirable professional in Canada, become eligible for 3 years post-study work permit in Canada, scholarship opportunities up to 5,000 Canadian dollar, which I mentioned earlier, and receive savings value of approximately 22,000 Canadian dollar to 36,000 Canadian dollar. And whenever they are going to transfer their credit to the university, they don't need any IELTS, as university IELTS requirement is 6.5. Whenever they are getting admission at Toronto School of Management, they can get with 6.6 only. This is the Yorkville University. So if somebody would like to join Yorkville University, they can complete their bachelor in Toronto. They don't need to go Vancouver, as Canada West University is located in Vancouver. So there is 2 options. Those students who would like to study in Toronto, they can do their pathway program with Yorkville University. Those who would like to do the bachelor program in Vancouver, they can join University Canada West. Same as Canada West, Yorkville, same one. So that's all for now. Thank you. Over to you.
So students, আপনারা দেখতেই পারলেন যে টরন্টো স্কুল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্টের পাথওয়েজ অপরচুনিটিস গুলো। সো আই থিঙ্ক আপনারা এখন খুব কুইকলি হচ্ছে এই অপরচুনিটি অ্যাভেল করবেন। এন্ড অ্যানাদার কোশ্চেন ফর সুজন স্যার, ইজ देयर এনি অপরচুনিটিস অ্যাবাউট accommodation support কে পাচ্ছে স্টুডেন্টস?
Yes, we have our own accommodation system for our students. So those students who would like to stay, you know, that our accommodation, they can avail it easily. Or if they would like to share, they also get the opportunities from our career service centers. So it's up to them. As you know that hotel, our college accommodation is a bit expensive than the others one. So a lot of students prefer to stay others, friends and family. So they are also getting opportunities from our career services center. Our career service center are always ready to help them out, regardless in terms of accommodations, part-time job, co-op opportunities. So yes, they will get the opportunities from our career guidance center.
Okay, and give some advice for our students to apply as soon as possible.
Yes, those students who would like to study in Canada, they are, who are planning to study in Canada, please don't be delayed. If you delay, like let's say, the Canada is always looking for the current student with no study gap. So please do contact with BD Expert and submit your applications, getting offer letter and make documentation ready for November intake. We're still accepting application for the November intake. This is really biggest news for Bangladeshi students. Apart from that, a lot of institution offering the September and October is the last intake for international student. Though we have another intake which is November, so we are still accepting application for November intake. So please don't delay. That you need to contact with the expert with all academic documents and all with passport. So they'll assist you further what you need to do and how to get the visa, what documentation you need to submit. So please don't be delay and contact with them.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Sujan sir. We get many valuable information from you, and I think students will also get a clear idea now. And অনেক স্টুডেন্টস আছে যারা অনেক বেশি ইন্টারেস্টেড টু স্টাডি ইন কানাডা, বাট তারা এই প্রপার ইনফরমেশন গুলো পাচ্ছে না। সো মেনি থ্যাঙ্কস টু ইউ স্যার। সো স্টুডেন্টসদের পক্ষে আমি বলছি যে যারা আজকে আপনারা আমাদের লাইভ সেশনটি দেখলেন অ্যাবাউট টরন্টো স্কুল অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট, এন্ড তারপরও যদি আপনাদের আর কোনো কোশ্চেন থেকে থাকে সরাসরি আমাদের ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে যে নাম্বারটা দেওয়া আছে আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারবেন। এন্ড আমি বলবো যে আর দেরি না করে এখনই ফাইল সাবমিট করুন, এন্ড প্লিজ কোনো কনফিউশন থাকলে ডোন্ট হেজিটেট টু কল আস। এন্ড থ্যাংক ইউ, ইনশাল্লাহ ইন ফিউচার আবারও দেখা হবে। টিল দেন স্টে কানেক্টেড, এন্ড thanks Mr. Sujan sir again.
You too. Thank you very much. Yes, you too. Thank you very much indeed to giving me these opportunities to talk about the School of Management. Hopefully, yes, we can see you in future again, and stay safe, stay home. So yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.